Hey, wake up. It's 4:30 in the morning in Lowell, Arkansas. We're about to go ride with one of our drivers. Kind of hard to see. Our loading crews are all busy. We got like 2 or 3 trucks out here this morning. Yeah, guys out in the parking lot getting ready to go.
Gotta have your 2 groups, cheese, and sugar. That's all you need. And that was 3, wasn't it?
Truck driving lunch, wasn't it?
I never was very good at indexing. So.
2 o'clock, 10 minutes. Oh boy.
Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Okay, so it's like 6 o'clock, which would be 14 hours. We did 436 miles, did 9 drops. Gonna do it again tomorrow. A good day is when you can meet or exceed customer expectation. You get all your material where it's supposed to go, when it's supposed to go there. You don't have any incidents or accidents, that things come off safe. We have a nice drive with no hits. That's a safe day. Okay, if I have to lay over somewhere, I guess my nightly routine kind of involves, and well, my bed's already made up, but moving some of the stuff out of the way. I've got a refrigerator and a microwave. I usually carry some canned goods, stuff that I can heat up, because you really never know when you might have to do that. So it's good to be prepared. I've also done, for the last 12 years of radio ministry, it's kind of a prayer request thing. I think that's a problem, is a lot of guys it's easy to just think you're on your own out there, but you're not alone. So I think it's important that we encourage each other. not necessarily even our own drivers, but just some of the younger drivers coming up, some of the older drivers that might be coming to the end of the career or kind of feel that things aren't like they used to be. I think that's important, and I think that maybe if it helps just one person, that's all I need to know. Everybody who's involved in the process, from the salesman that takes order, getting it in there accurate, from the guys bending and wrapping and packing the trim, to the guys that are boarding and loading the trucks, to the support staff upstairs and logistics, production, accounting. Everybody is a part of the process.